Hi all, today I will show you how to install EasyJewel 3D in your computer. You will need a link like this, you can paste here or in your browser, and with this you can download and obtain this file. You extract this file, here, there is a readme and the exe. This file needs administrator rights. If you find something like this because of antivirus or because of Windows Defender, click Run Anyway, or create an exception in your antivirus. So you run it. Choose the language, the license, accept, and next some infos. Create a shortcut in your desktop. Okay, some infos, and launch EasyJewel 3D because you need to load EasyJewel 3D in Rhino8. We don't need this now. Okay. This is EasyJewel 3D Loader. You have 10 languages and 4 buttons to install in Rhino6 if you need in Rhino6, 7, 8 both Net frameworks, the Net7 that they call Net Core, and the 4.NET Net framework, because Rhino gives this possibility. EasyJewel 3D is multi-target, so you can run in any framework. If you close, yes, I don't need to install nothing now, okay. You don't have EasyJewel 3D in Rhino8, so you can reopen it. For the loader, you don't need administrator rights. Let's load in Rhino7, for example. Perfect. Wait installing. It needs some seconds. Perfect. Now it asks if you want this plugin, because it's a very particular plugin to use STL files and so on. I want it. If you don't want, click no. The same thing for Rhino8. If you don't know in what way Rhino8 is set in your computer, try. You can try with one of them. Okay. Perfect. Export STL. No, I don't need it. And then you can close. Yes. Now it's installing Rhino 7, 8, not in 6, but I don't need it not in 6, so I click yes and try to open one of them. Okay, here our timer, you can close it, and here our toolbar. If you don't have the toolbar, I will explain to you how to open it. Now I'll show you how to open EasyJewel 3D toolbar if you cannot see it. Let's try. Rhino8. Now it is opened, so we go to Rhino options, toolbars, and we close it. Perfect. I run again Rhino8. If you don't see our toolbar, you have this icon to click. or this right click open show toolbar, or you can type AJ toolbar open show. Okay, you click again and it's open. If you don't see this, you can open toolbars, go to EasyJewel 3D and select. Okay, thank you very much. Once you have EasyJewel 3D installed in your computer, you don't need to use the loader, otherwise something is not working, or you want to change the framework in Rhino8, for example. You have only to run the installer. Sometimes it may happen that you open Rhino and you see that it automatically closes because probably you have the loader that is running open. Okay, so close it, otherwise you will see this. Okay, you close it, yes, and Rhino will run normally. Now you have the log of the loader if you need it, and here you can do a link for this file if you want to install EasyJewel 3D in a silent way or in a very silent way. You can create a link here, go to properties and add here space slash and silent. Okay, now if you want, you can rename, for example, silent as you want. Silent. Then you can copy, paste, and do very silent. Very silent. Done. Rename. Very silent. I will show you what happens. Silent way, administrator writes. It goes alone. Okay. So cancel. If you use very silent, yes, you don't see anything, but it is working, it's running. Okay. And here the last thing, for those who want to know in what way is running Rhino8 on their computers, you run set.net, you run here digit set.net runtime. In my computer it is in Net7 Net Core, it is called Net Core. You can change to Netframework, that is 4.8 Netframework, the old version, and that's it. Here, in this button here, you have the explanation. Okay? Thank you very much.